Hello, this is Marcus Ruiz with MaxwellProline. There are many interesting things about apple cider vinegar. Some people may not know that it tones the skin and fights acne. It also heals and relieves sunburns. Some people use it as a hair rinse. It can be used to boost your energy. Some people use it to treat yeast infections and or help in weight loss. It's been known to control blood sugar, improve the health of skin, lower cholesterol, fight fungus. I know I've used it in a small bath for my feet, and it acts as a deodorant. It can also be used to whiten teeth and get rid of harmful bacteria. If you'd like to know more, visit Maxwell Proline. In the description, we will put a link to Amazon so you can order apple cider vinegar if you'd like, and or you can find it at your local grocery store if they carry it. Again, this is Marcus Ruiz for Maxwell Proline. See you in the next video.